In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove music in the InShot app. If you've ever imported a clip into InShot and realized the background music or original audio isn't what you want, don't worry. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step through removing that audio so you can either keep the video silent or add your own music, voiceover, or sound effects on top. First, open the InShot app on your device and head straight to the video option on the main screen. This is usually the large button you see right away when you launch the app. Tap that, then select the video you want to edit from your camera roll or folders. Once you've chosen your clip, tap the check mark to confirm and load it into the editor. Now you'll see your video on the main preview screen, with a timeline of the clip along the bottom. Under the timeline, InShot shows a row of tools and icons. Look for the one labeled Volume. This is the control that lets you adjust or completely remove the sound that's originally attached to your video. Go ahead and tap Volume. A slider will appear, usually starting at 100%. This means your original video audio is playing at full volume. To remove the music or background sound, simply drag that slider all the way down to 0. As you do this, you're not deleting the video itself, you're just muting its original audio track. Before you confirm, it's a good idea to quickly preview your change. Tap the play button and watch a few seconds of your clip. You should now see the video playing silently. If you still hear anything, make sure the slider is fully at 0 and that you applied it to the entire clip, not just a portion. When you're happy with the result, tap the check mark to apply the change. At this point, your video has no original sound. From here, you can tap the music or audio option in InShot if you want to add your own music, sound effects, or voiceover on top of the muted clip. Finally, when everything sounds the way you like, tap Export or the Save icon in the top right corner, choose your resolution and quality, and save the video to your device. That's all you need to do to remove music in the InShot app.